Hey everyone, it's Jeff here again for VIP Vision. Have you ever attended a security or data installation and found scenes like this? Or like this? Maybe even like this? Recorders installed in TV units, or sitting on desks, installed in linen cupboards, just sitting there waiting to overheat. UPSs just placed on the floor. Not a great look, hey? Totally disorganized and prone to failure, not to mention insecure. Cables just dangling there, ready to be unplugged by the next guest. Recorder lying out in the open, just begging to be picked up and carried away during a burglary, taking the evidence and completely negating the whole reason for installation of the system in the first place. There is a better way. Introducing the VIP Vision Security Cabinet, or SECCAB. The SECCAB is a compact, vertical, wall-mount security cabinet designed to help you achieve professional results in security and data installations. It offers locked storage of a complete CCTV recording system, allowing installation in compact places up and out of arm's reach, making for a much more secure system. The cabinet can house any standalone recorder or other device up to 2 RU in height, 480mm wide and 465mm deep. It is compatible with rack-mountable and non-rack mountable devices, featuring clamps to hold smaller earless devices like small single-disc NVRs. When used with a recorder, the cabinet is also designed to fit a VESA mount LCD monitor up to 24 inches in size and a 600 VA UPS, making it a great all-in-one solution. A 4-outlet power board is included along with the cage nuts and mounting screws. Optionally, you may also spec this cabinet with 5-volt DC fans to assist with ventilation in hot environments. In addition to being a great solution for CCTV, the SECCAB can also be used to house a complete VIP Vision access control system and a WatchGuard hardwired alarm system, giving a large cabinet with horizontal work surface to make wiring a breeze and giving cleaner installations as a result, as all of your cabling runs into a single box. In summary, if you're professionally installing security products, then getting to the point of a functioning installation is really only half the job. You must consider the possibility of short, medium, and long-term faults, their ramifications, and how that may affect the customer and your reputation. The SECCAB security cabinet can go a long way to helping you pull off a neat, secure, and reliable installation. To find out more information about this product, please visit our website at vipvision.au. Alternatively, simply Google SECCAB, S-E-C-C-A-B. Have a good one.